Hi, my name is Apollo Burejea, and I'm here to talk to you about a training opportunity in structural waterproofing that follows BS 8102 of 2009, Eurocode 12390 of 2009, and SANS 021 of 2006. And now this course is designed for architects, engineers, quantity surveyors, construction managers, and each and every person that is involved in the trade of infrastructure development, in building houses, bridges, roads, that has actually witnessed the problem of water tax. You see, I can't talk much about the water problems we have within our country, within Uganda. But this problem stems from the fact that, one, our designers actually specify dam proofing. They don't specify waterproofing. And even when they specify dam proofing, they specify it in limited spaces, in limited places when we're building. So that is the first problem. Two, that even when dam proofing alone is specified, the people who do construction cannot adequately interpret the specifications and later apply this dam proofing system correctly. And three, those people, the engineers that come to supervise, actually also not knowledgeable sufficiently on what they should look for when they come to supervise these water dam proofing systems. Now, the course that we are going to have at Makerere University on 16th at CEDAT, that is College of Engineering, Design, Art and Technology, Conference Hall. It's a one-day course, and its target is to teach you, the engineer, the architect, the quantity surveyor, and the construction manager, on how best you can specify for waterproofing systems. Now, we have three types of waterproofing system. The standards give them as type A, type B, type C. Now, type A covers waterproofing systems that are integral, that are mixed, blended within the structure. They're part of the structure that retains water. Type B is basically looking at the waterproofing systems that are applied on the surfaces. And then type C deals with cavities. If I have a basement, a building with 3 levels of the basement, of course it's going below the water table. How will I manage to keep that building dry, or the spaces dry? And of course the standards also talk about exposure conditions and how best to design for the different exposure conditions. There are some spaces that don't mind having water, but there are other spaces, like our houses, our homes, that do not require to be moist, to have water within spaces, the spaces. So the standards discuss all these aspects, and they guide us on how best to specify a waterproofing system. And so when you come to learn, you'll be able to understand that kind of specification and how you should draft it. Two, you'll be able to understand how to apply these waterproofing systems. Once they have been specified, you should be able to know how to interpret them and apply them in real life. Now, three, you should be able to cost them, because waterproofing systems cost a lot of money sometimes, depending on the challenge. But we have very good waterproofing systems, some from China, others are from South Africa, Europe. But all these waterproofing systems are not free of charge. And of course, if you bid for a job and you have not costed waterproofing systems, then it's going to cause trouble. It's going to be a variation if it has to be done, or it's going to be neglected. So you need to be able to know how to cost. And of course, the specifications should be written in order for you to be able to know how to measure and pay for these waterproofing systems if you are a consultant. So we are going to have wonderful time. We are going to come and learn and refresh, and at the end there will be a certificate awarded to you for those who will pass a quiz. The quiz will be just a few typical questions, and it will be done openly in public, and therefore you'll be able to pass and go with a certificate of attendance, and above all, we'll be able to go out and contribute to our society and give them very good buildings, very good roads, very good bridges that are going to be durable and last longer within our environments. So I invite you to come. The cost is just 150,000 shillings. This money caters for your feeding, for the venue, and for the fees that are going to transport the facilitators. They're coming from South Africa, and they will be here for 2 days, and they will be hosted and facilitated, and that's what the 150,000 covers. Hope to meet you on 16th, starting at 8:30 in the morning and ending at 5 in the evening. Thank you so much for your time.